Hello, I'm Daniel Garcia, and I am doing a fifth grade standard on the universe and its stars. So the disciplinary core idea is that the students in fifth grade will understand how the universe and was created and how the sun is the closest star to planet Earth. So the universe is the darkest part of the sky, made of many, many galaxies. And galaxies are thousands of light years away. The galaxies are filled with billions of stars. One of the many galaxies in the universe is the galaxy that we live in, which is called the Milky Way. And then within our galaxy, we have billions and billions of stars within which we have planets. A question that we should be asking is, how was the universe created? And the universe is very, very old. It was created about 13.8 billion light years ago. It was created by what scientists believe is a massive explosion called the Big Bang. And the universe was made out of hydrogen and helium. So to make you guys understand how the universe was created, I'm going to play a short video. So that shows how an explosion occurred and all these particles are in the universe going far, 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 far away, making galaxies, which made our galaxy the Milky Way. Um, then later it made the sun and then planet Earth. And within where the sun is, we made a solar system, which is where the Earth is going around the sun. So next part that we need to learn is the stars. So we already said there's billions of stars in the universe, and each star goes through an evolution. So they have a lifespan of about 1 million years. Years. So it loses energy by years. So stars will eventually become a white dwarf, which no longer illuminate. What star is the closest to Earth is a question we need to be asking ourselves. And the sun is the closest star to Earth. In the video, we saw how the sun was made and then how Earth was made. So the sun seems to be the largest than all the stars around in the sky, and it's because the sun is the closest star to the Earth. Our sun will live about 1 billion years. Once this happens, it will no longer have the same energy, so our sun will no longer illuminate as strong or as much, should I say. So our sun is about halfway there, so no fear, we will be long gone before the sun dies or becomes a white dwarf. So don't forget that the universe is very old. It was created by an explosion called the Big Bang. We live in a galaxy called the Milky Way, and our sun is a star which is the closest to the Earth. So don't forget, there's billions of stars in our galaxy. Thank you.